word to use is fragile. He has not got a lot of bites, and for the first time on day number 2, Randy Howell leaving all his riprap banks.
Randy Howell definitely on a mission this day 2 of the Classic. He has to finish in the top 5. That will trigger a domino effect of people who are contributing to an effort to bring a lot of the residents from his King's Home charity, the project he works on, the final day weigh-in. So Randy's working very, very hard to get those kids there.
I'm a big-time preparation guy, an organized guy, and I like to have everything in order. And right now, it's not quite there yet. Try to hang a lot of the baits that I'm going to use throughout the season. Because the howler I won the Classic last year on.
Bass fishing is a team sport for Randy and Robin Howell, who used their Classic title to make 2014 a year of giving back.
This win has definitely changed our life. I can't even imagine how it would be to win 2 of them, because one has just been so phenomenal.
Be a big one. Just one of those days you dream about. And the fish were just biting better. Never lost one all day. Yes. And it just became a magical day. Yeah. Woo! Yeah. That's what I came back here for. I shed a lot of tears driving that hour-and-a-half drive back to Birmingham, and I thought I got it all out before I got there, but I didn't.
18 pounds, 5
Howell's dramatic come-from-behind win last year was witnessed by a special Birmingham cheering section.
When they announced that he won, we all jumped out of our chairs. It was amazing.
Gina lives here in King's Home, south of Birmingham.
You know, I was scared. I didn't know what to do. I was shaking in the corner.
She's a victim of domestic violence who agreed to appear on camera to let everyone know about the impact Randy has had on her life, and so many others who come here suffering from domestic violence.
We don't know what we would do without Randy, the things that he does for us. When I came to King's Home, I still didn't know what path I wanted to be on, and they taught me how to be an independent person. They taught me how to live.
What does he emphasize to you that you take with you every day?
Do not give up.
She had been there since she was 15. How this young lady could function and talk with a smile on her face and love in her heart. You know that came because of I've heard so many bad stories from so many of those kids that have been through stuff that never should have happened.
Howell not only supports King's Home with his words, but also his wallet, giving away 4 boats, including last year's Triton Classic winning boat, raising nearly $500,000 over 4 years. This is a Classic champion in every sense of the word.
Fishing's not the most important thing in his life. And his career, I would put down there around 3rd.
Not only is he the Bassmaster Classic champion, which doesn't make you a great person, makes you a great angler, but what Randy's done off the water just really makes him a great person.
A lot of the Classic winners use that win as a platform. Randy's platform certainly doing a lot of good for a lot of people.